Well, that's one way to install an amplifier. Globs of silicone. At least it's in there solid. A little bit of a wiring rescue. These wires are too thin. Look at the wires they thought were adequate to run the speakers in the bags. Some HID connector quick disconnects for the speakers. I don't know what kind of current they thought that fuse holder could handle. And of course it's CCA wire. So we're gonna have to upgrade that to oxygen-free copper stinger. As usual, it's a beautiful bike. Now we just gotta make the beauty of the wiring match the bike. Please stop doing this for your bags. It blocks 80% of the sound, and then the sound that does get through does nothing but rattle the inside of the bags. This does not sound good. It destroys the bag. Either use the American hard bag kit and cut a diamond shape, which lets 60 or 70% of the sound through, or just cut the complete round circle. Please do not do this.